In this video, I'm going to show you how to make slide photos on TikTok. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. First, we want to open our TikTok application. And from here, we want to upload a photo. So we want to tap on the plus icon in the middle, the bottom middle of our screen. And from here, we want to tap on upload. So you want to make sure that you have enabled this select multiple option in the bottom side of your screen. And from here, we want to select the photos we want to add. So for example, I'm going to add these photos and just tap on next. So we can make this as a photo slideshow or just simply a video. But make sure that this is selected to photo to make it slide photos when you post it. So after this, you just want to tap on next and you want to configure about your descriptions, who can see your posts. And after you're done with that, you can just simply tap on post. So that's how simple and easy it is. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.